In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share a YouTube link on your Instagram story, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by getting the link that you actually want to share on your Instagram story. So I'm just going to click a random video on YouTube and click on share and then copy the link. Now that I have that link copied, I'm going to go onto my Instagram and go to share a story. I'm just going to snap a quick picture, and then you're going to click on the stickers button. Now, as you can see in the middle row, I have the option to add a link, but if you want, you can just search it if it's not there for you. This option actually used to only be available for people with over 10,000 followers, but it's now available to everyone. So you're then going to paste the link and click on done. And as you can see, the link is now on your story. Now you can also change the way it looks, and if you want to actually do something different with it, you can also just go back and click on customize sticker text, and you can actually write YouTube video. You can write any title you want and it'll show up like this. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.